regime leaders to international criminal court. Bring TPLF regime leaders behind 2014 Oromo massacre to international criminal court. We Oromo demand our legitimate rights. We Oromo demand self-determination. We Oromo demand self-determination. We Oromo demand self-determination. We Oromo demand self-determination. Stop state terrorism in Oromia. We condone state terrorism in Oromia. We condone state terrorism in Oromia. No second land grab in Oromia. No land grab in Oromia. Stop state terrorism in Oromia. Now, Oromo students, Ethiopian regime, security forces, now killing innocent Oromo students. USA, where are you? United Nations, where are you? Human Rights Watch, where are you? International media, where are you? Norway, where are you? Stop supporting the dictatorship. Killing Oromos. Never stop. Oromo struggles. Stop. Killing Oromos. Students. Stop. Killing Oromos. People. Stop. Killing Oromos. Students. Killing Oromos.
علموا بارس مين سماي
We condemn Oromania's invasion. We condemn Oromania's invasion. We condemn.
Fascist regime. Norwegian government. The question of Norway. Stop financing. Fascist regime.
Oromia. Liberation. Oromia. Shall be free. Oromia. Shall be free. 50 days.
A dictator regime. In a dictator regime.
Full right to protest.
Full protest.
Stop killing, arresting, torturing, Oromo students, killing Oromos, arresting Oromos, torturing, murdering, innocent, Oromo students, stop, land grab, in Oromia, stop, land grab, in Oromia, no infinite expansion, no infinite expansion,
Umar.
Stop evicting Oromo farmers in the name of development. No master plan. We Oromo. Demand self-determination. We Oromo. Demand our legitimate rights. No. Infinite expansion. No. Evicting Oromo farmers. Stop. Land grab. In Oromia. Stop. Land grab. In Oromia. Stop. Land grab. In Oromia.
No. Stop. Financing. Norway. Stop. Financing. Terrorist regime in Ethiopia.
Agazi. Stop. Torturing. Agazi. Stop. Torturing. Oromo students. Killing Oromo. Torturing Oromo. Arresting Oromo. Murdering Oromo. We'll never stop. The Oromo struggle. For freedom. Self-determination. For Oromo people. Self-determination. For Oromo people. Norway. Stop. Supporting. The dictator. Ethiopian regime. Norway. Stop. Using our tax money. To support the dictatorship. Justice. For Oromo students. Justice. For Oromo students. Massacre. People left. Have been killing. Oromo students. Norway. Where are you? USA. Where are you? EU. Where are you? International media. Where are you? BBC. Where are you? Al Jazeera. Where are you? Students have been killing. In Oromia. Women have been killing. In Oromia. Children have been murdered. In Oromia. EU. Where are you? USA. Where are you? United Nations. Where are you? No justice. Ethiopia. Security forces. Stop. Killing. Ethiopian regime. Security forces. Stop killing. Green. 2014. Oromia massacre. To justice. Green. Ethiopian regime. Leaders. To international criminal court. No master plan. No infinite expansion. No. Finfinne expansion. No master plan. No. Evicting. Oromo farmers. Ethiopian regime. Stop. Evicting. Oromo farmers. In the name of Matek. Development. Ethiopian regime. Stop. Cleansing. Ethiopian regime. Stop. Killing. Ethiopian regime. Stop. Land grab. In Oromia. Self-determination. For Oromo people. We Oromo. Fight. For justice. We Oromo. Need freedom. We need freedom. We need justice. We need justice. In Oromia. No. Finfinne expansion. Justice. For Oromo.
Kingdom of Norway, 7 Juni +1. Regarding ongoing massacre and the violation of human rights in Oromia. Your Excellency, we the Oromo community in Norway write this letter to bring your attention to the ongoing violation of human rights and the persecution of Oromo peoples in Ethiopia and seek your prompt intervention. We are saddened and angered by the Ethiopian regime's continued massacre and shocking suppression of peaceful protesters. The Ethiopian regime is characterized by its human rights abuse, execution of prisoners of conscience, extrajudicial killings, and corruption around land acquisition. Mass eviction of communities from their ancestral land have been rampant in recent years in favor of transnational companies, business tycoons, and higher military and civilian government officials without any compensation. The currently introduced Addis Master Plan is a continuation of this long-standing land grabbing and community eviction practice. We found that the so-called master plan has a destructive and negative impact on Oromian statehood, environmental amenities, cultural identities, property values, and have hidden values, vague goals that can negatively impact millions of Oromian lives. This planning activity is a top-down physical determinist or blueprint with no legal and judiciary means of protecting civil rights. Besides the territorial expansion, it is a conflict-ridden exercise of political power to create a state within the state of Oromia in order to divide the Oromian geographical unity by introducing alien language and culture. Also, this master plan can induce many negative externalities against existing and achieved rights of the state of Oromia. Authorities of the present dictatorial regime of Ethiopia use city planning and city development as a land grabbing tool while imposing unfair land use management practices such as land acquisition for the expansion of the city without full social, cultural, and environmental planning concept in place. The acclaimed master plan is socially blind and has never aimed to have a social-oriented goal. So it is socially reckless, geophysical design-oriented plan that vote towards achieving a narrow goal while undermining the state of Oromia and the Oromo people. Particularly,
نفلمنا نقتلنا نفلمنا ويانا نقول له ويانا نقول له نفلمنا جميعا بصوتي